balikan ko. Ano to eh? Ten 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 ten. It is the Scholle external bullshit. Blah blah blah. Human nature design blah blah blah. Human nature design, what the fuck is that? Yeah, let's see what's inside. Ten 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 ten. Here's the enclosure. And here's the, what the is that? What is inside? Oh, that's its own leather case. Dapat lang, sa mas pinabayaran yan. The fuck is this? This is for the, maybe this is for the mounting to the the blah blah mini USB. This is what the cable that I have. So this and this is the manual that we don't usually read, right? Ang manual na hindi natin binabasa. Yeah. Okay, let's see this shit. Now you press this son of a bitch. This is the latch. That's the latch. You will push this shit. Okay. Press it now, so you can open this shit. Yeah, just like that. It snap. This is a tool-free enclosure. Yeah. See what's inside. That's what's inside. Okay, that's about it. Let's see if this crap works, actually works.